What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 11th of January. It is early on the East Coast. We're going to take a look this Saturday here at Aerodrome Finance as these markets continue to put in a bearish leg after printing a major lower low. We spoke about this. We bounced just yesterday right above our target at 1086. Let me go into the 3-minute time frame here, guys. This is Aerodrome Finance / the USD on tradingview.com, and the data is from Coinbase. Here is that big leg down that bounced just above 1086. Nice bounce. And then we are continuing to fade here. So we'll see today if this level, we get a close below this and we head down to our next target. Let's take a look over here at the daily. I want to welcome everybody to the channel. A lot of the viewers are not yet subscribed. So if you are a viewer and not subscribed, go ahead and do so. And then you'll be updated when we put these videos out on your home feed. Taking a look here, we have two new targets below the market, guys. So once and if we start trading below 1086, next target 1005. So basically a $1 Aerodrome is the next level. That is a new target, guys. This market is starting to get pretty oversold, but markets can move much further in directions we do not expect, to the upside and to the downside. So we could find ourselves here at 1005. That is a new target, guys. Just like we bounced yesterday right above the 1086, similar down here at the 1005. They can act as support for a period of time. That period of time is unknown. It can be a day. It can mark a major bottom. Next target, guys, but below that is 82.57. That is down here, 82.57. That would obviously take us below some pretty major lows here from the 4th, from the 25th, as well as over here, it looks like the 3rd and 2nd of October 2024. This rough head and shoulders pattern here, let me draw this on the chart. If you are new to the channel or not familiar with the head and shoulders, it's not a perfect pattern, but it looks like we are breaking to the downside. So basically you take the depth here and then you would add that to the breakdown, and boy, oh boy, does that take you down quite a bit. So based on the head and shoulders projection to the downside, that would bring Aerodrome back down to a quarter, 25 cents, guys. That would be a full move from the head and shoulders. Right here is the head and shoulders target at a quarter at 25 cents. Understand now the markets are trading at $1.10. So this is what I mean by, now I'm not saying this is guaranteed to happen. This is just what the pattern tells us, the chart pattern. Markets can go much further than you expect. Now understand, Aerodrome has been down here before, all the way down here to 8 cents, 9 cents, and so on. So a quarter isn't out of the question. And again, it's not me. I don't care where this target is. This target could be 50 cents. This target could be 10 cents. It doesn't matter to me. The chart pattern tells me that the target is a quarter, 0.25. So something to keep in mind here, guys. Now, do I expect the market to go something like this in one day? No. Again, this might not even get hit, okay? It's just something to keep in mind. Markets will have, let's say that does get hit in, 6 months. You'll have more than likely a trending down market, lower highs and lower lows. Of course, if something, really bad hits the market, then you could get a massive sell-off in a day or two. But overall, no. And again, that might not even be hit, but it's a number. It's on the chart. And just wanted to share with you guys. So, oh boy, that would be quite the move to the downside. And if that's the case, as you can tell, this thing is just beginning. We have when we put in a major lower low a couple days back, this bearish leg. So once we print a lower high, that move to come, that lower low, can be quite nasty and happen very quick, and we're starting to really see that here. So that's what I was talking about, is be careful when these markets print. On the bullish side would be a higher low, and then you would rally into a higher high. That can happen very quick and be very bullish. And then the opposite of that is be careful when markets print major lower highs, because that leg that follows to the downside can be very quick and brutal. And we are starting to really see that here pick up. Now, again, we could bounce again today off 1086 and start to rally. These markets are oversold. But if not, understand that basically $1, 1.005 is next level of support. And then below that, 82.57 is next level of support. I don't have anything below the 82.57 at the moment. There is support levels in here. I will fill this in. Hopefully we don't end up down here today. I would like to get these in before the price approaches, so you guys have something to keep your eyes on. Understand, if we go back here, if you're new to the channel, understand we've been tracking this since back here on the breakout. Breakout took place on the 12th and 13th of September, and we've been tracking it close to every day ever since, and that was back in September. So this market put in a double top here. Double top here. We double top on the 12th of December as well as the 7th of December. And that goes back to a triple top, which is where the market topped out back in here, right around that 234 level. And that was on the 12th of April. So this market has been quite bearish ever since this day right here, which is the 18th of December. We're just about almost a month ago. We're at the 11th of January. So again, this could be short-lived. We could bounce here and go into a new trend to the upside. On the positive side is Bitcoin is not getting hit that hard right now. That is good. We have a lot of these altcoins selling off aggressively. But if Bitcoin really turns and starts to ramp up, break out into new highs, we'll see these coins turn and move higher for the most part. But right now, all we're going to do is watch our levels: 1086, 1005, 82.57. Understand that the models that track this over in the Discord group are not long Aerodrome. They have not been long Aerodrome for a while. They are waiting to get long when strength comes back into the market. They're not long. They're not buying the dip. They want to see strength come back into the market. So just understand that. There's a couple members over there in the Discord group. All right, guys, that is that. Do you think this thing is going to make a run all the way down to a quarter? That seems pretty aggressive. Over the next 6 to 12 months, it could happen. That would be quite the haircut. And I advise you guys, always have a plan ahead of time, okay? I mean, if you're watching your profits dwindle and dwindle away, just understand this thing could be down at 82. This thing could be down at $1. Do you have a plan? Do you have a plan? Is your plan to stick with this for the next couple of years and, see what happens? I don't know what your plan is, but have a plan. Makes it easier when things basically plan ahead. Over to Bitcoin, BTC, USD. It's up $340. We are below 96,626. Again, that's market resistance. We traded back below that on the 8th and 7th of January. We got support at 92. If the markets fade, 88,453 next target. Guys, thanks for watching. Of course, not financial advice. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you are not yet subscribed, join us here on the channel. Have a great day.